गोंयान किंग मोमोच्या राजवटीची सुरवात शेनवारच्यान जाल्या. गोंय राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान राजधानी पणजेन किंग मोमोच्या राजवटीक हिरवो बावटो दाखयला. गोंयभर किंग मोमोची राजवट मनोवपा खातीर गोंय सरकाराच्या पर्यटन महामंडळान कार्यावळी दवरल्यात. गोंयांत जावपी ह्या कार्निवालाक गोंय तशेंच हेर देशांतले पर्यटकय वांटेकार जातात. कार्निवाला निमतान गोंय राज्याचो मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान गोंयकारांक शुभेच्छा दिल्यात. पळयात पणजेंतल्या कार्निवालाची कांय चलचित्रां.
Hello everyone! I, King Momo, King of the Carnival, welcome you one and all to this annual event of the Kingdom of Goa. I give you full liberty to forget the troubles of life and to relax, to be happy, to make merry and enjoy these festivities to the fullest. I request you, glamorous girls, let your hair loose, put on your dancing shoes, come and sway to the tune of the music. To you, muscle beat guys, come on and rock the floor. But don't you dare send bad vibes or misbehave with my wives. As for you tourists, both within and foreign lands, you are welcome to enjoy our land of sun, sea and sandy sands. But I request you all to support us in our endeavor to keep Goa clean and green, not only for our children, but for their children's children. Let these festivities bring in peace, joy, fun and frolic, because without these, the carnival is not complete. However, I request all of you all to be responsible and not to cause anyone else a pain. With this, I declare the carnival festivities of the year 2020 open.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we need to...
Viva Carnival! Viva Carnival! Viva Goa!
Señorita! It's fine to play,
Carnival 2020, brought to you by the TTDC Goa Tourism. Move your body, ladies. A bella Goa! Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, festivities have begun in the state. As we have the state celebrations of Carnival started in full year. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we wish you once again, Viva Carnival! We welcome all the esteemed dignitaries here.
And now we declare his degree is on stage. So let's celebrate, let's enjoy. It's a carnival mood for everybody. Viva!
We can dance, throw it in the air. Let's get together, we'll run it hard and do it the Goan way.
Dance to the beats of the band. Ladies and gentlemen, Carnival 2020, brought to you by the Goa Tourism.
1, 2, 3, go!
Can't go, yeah,
Well, it's nice to see a clown in your life. Because once you're a clown in your life, you're really happy all the time of your life. So one thing that message Carnival gives us is enjoy life, be happy, and survive long.
We once again welcome the ministers as they take their seats to judge the clothes.
To beat a phantom, but let's make it a beautiful city for each one of us to enjoy it every moment we set our footsteps.
Well, not only in Goa, well, it is said one of the best of India's. With full kind of excitement.
Viva Goa, Viva Phantom, Viva Carnival!
Alright, people, come on, sing, dance.
For the bride is lifted by the gloom, that's what I can see. But we also would like to say that he wants to enjoy every moment, so he's come down to Goa while requesting everybody not to crowd on the streets, the public, requesting every one of you, can you just try to not block?
To all, do not litter the place. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure if there are trash bins kept over here, whatever litter you have.
Well, though we use them, we cannot be littering the place all around. Just try to dispose them judiciously. You can see that the seabed is just adorned with plastic. Also, we got something on the mangroves. So we got to be trying to grow more mangroves, trying to protect it. Our Goan carpenters are dying. The carpentry profession, which our Goans were doing wonderfully, is slowly dying.
Well, that's the St. Anthony Boys of Akali presenting Golche Devoi. Wishing one and all Viva Carnival. Float number 2T02. While carpentry has been one of the most traditional occupations of Goa, still being carried out right from those years to now. of the Goan villages, we have our Goan carpenters. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Agali, South Goa, we have this float presenting and showing us how carpentry still goes on in many parts of Goa.
Well, you know something, Sandra, carpentry indeed is a good business. Well, carpentry can give you a lot of good occupation of carpentry. Well, we can teach our youngsters how to really prosper, getting to be. Well, the dances really show us that carpentry can really make us happy. You can see the smile on their faces.
Alright, even you can see all those tools which have been carried by our carpenters, used to make all the And Carnival, which is one of the most happening festival in Goa, everybody looks forward to it, you know, Newton, and we have people.
કાર્નિવલ 2020 ગોવા ટુરિઝમ ડેવલપમેન્ટ કોર્પોરેશન અને ગોવા ટુરિઝમ દર વર્ષે કાર્નિવલવાળા ઉમેદીર મનાવતા હોય છે. કાર્નિવલ म्हणजे जगभर फामाद मगर दिसता कार्निवला खातीर बरेचशे टुरिस्टूय गोंयांत येता. कार्निवल आसतना शिगमो आसतले. गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीन ही उत्सव मनयता, गोंयांतले क्रिस्तांव भाव जावं हिंदू भाव हे दोगूय उत्सवान एकामेकांचा भाग घेता आनी एका वांगडा उबे धरता. म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारांचो एकवट टिकोवन दवरपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता कार्निवल आनी शिगमो दोनूय फेस्टिवलां सगळ्या लोकांक एक कडेन हाडटा. हो एकवट टिकोवन दवरपाक सगळ्या गोंयकार भावांनी एकत्र रावचें. ही शक्ती वावुरता हेच्या मदीं दुसरी घालपा खातीर ती आमी आयच्या दिसा शपथून जावचें की ती भायर उडोवची. त्या पद्दतीन कार्निवल मनोवचो, गोंय मनयतो. वन्स अगेन आय विश द विवा कार्निवल टू ऑल द गोवन्स.
There's no way you can lose, oh baby. Come on over here and give me what I want. If you don't know how, I'll teach you.
Imagine holding for the whole parade.
Well, a lovely message conveyed. Aleph Mylen, Tempest Toast, looking after everybody, especially the downtrodden. That's the statue of Liberty.
Oh, that's really lovely. Some green plantations on the road. You can see some lovely nests hanging out there. Oh, and there we have got the winner out there. The runner, the sprinter, the hurdler, the walker.
And you know what, even it shows we are blessed with such.
Come on, cheer up!
Come on, people, you guys cheer.
Oh, the walker. Wonderful walk out there. The hurdler.
Wow, that's a lovely performance.
Marvelous. Ah, that's a fun one out there. Beautiful. Alright, stand up, he's a champion, got the hammer throw.
And that's a spectacular performance by our sporting boy.
Well, I think all the kids should be taking up the sports because sports makes you smarter, builds you and also mental.
The art of self-defense, ladies and gentlemen, very, very important, especially for our young kids to know this art, to defend themselves.
Well, innocent. And that's
Now we
volleyball.
have our weightlifters.
Well, innocent, I go to the gym and it's nice to be there because once you get out of it, you feel refreshed. And you can see bodybuilders and the weightlifters. The boxing. Who the girls? Can you imagine? That we kissed upon. But recently we had the Aqua Festival where we had a lot of fishes displayed out there.
Well, still practice in one of the villages of Goa, Kepe. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the blacksmiths over here displaying their skills and how well they do it.
Of course, I think to lead a beautiful life, we have to have a help from everyone. Well, we had just the carpenters who went. We require the koito. Well, all this can be made only by the blacksmiths. And what a wonderful profession. You can really
Well,
enjoy
what a
it.
wonderful display of art.
Well, beautiful creativity. Well, you know, Sandra, I think this thing's
And I'm sure the people of Goa still need to practice and keep it going, not allowing this art to die.
well, the koito is really good. Make the best use of the koito.
And all tools that go in the making, you can see them displayed over here. Well, they say all these tools are still available in the market. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're still wanting to buy these tools, you can go and get them in the local markets.
But I think we've got to be going to Cafe Market, Sandra.
I'm sure we get them there as well.
Well, I think we're going to be getting at a very cheap price at Cafe. So everybody rush towards the Cafe Market to buy these beautiful tools.
Well, the people
The foray, the motel, Akori, everything out there. Beautifully done. Wonderful creativity for the people of Cafe. Well, this was a Raul Pereira presentation.
वावरांनी गोडून आमच्या कोष्टाचो कसल्यो कसल्यो वस्तू कोताय दिवना गोपाचो हो मेळ आमी एकठांय केला केपेंकारांचो आमी ढोळांनी ओवलोड केला राहुल बाबाचो
everything that matters about blacksmiths. Dovor, a local name for blacksmiths.